Welcome everybody to Hannet's Corner. I'm Hannet, and this is another episode of What's in the Box. And today we're going to open this box. Alright, so let's get into this. Yes, I got the scissors this time. We got, the camera person decided to suggest that I take out some scissors because I have struggle in opening the boxes sometimes. So we'll listen to the cameraman today. All right. Wrapped in a bag. Oh, cut that out. All right, so it's wrapped in a bag. Let's see. It's a kit. This is sold as a kit. Please do not remove container. So what this is, we're gonna open up the thing. I'm not gonna show you that front part because it has what it is. Ha, scissors. No, we got that. Camera people are smart sometimes. They have good ideas every once in a while. So, even with the scissors, I'm struggling because it's stuck wrapped to the. So, what this is coming with is a pop screen. We have a XLR cable. It looks like 20 feet, I think. Yes, 20 feet. And this is the Blackout Spark Condenser microphone. This goes into the, uses the cable, has the stand it looks like on this one. So I'll open this up. There's got a little flaps holding stuff closed. So, let's see what we got here. Anything holding it closed this time? Okay. Nothing's holding it. Why is it not under? There we go. Alright. So, it comes with an instruction manual. Got a nice little picture on the back. It comes with a nice wooden case. Like, Blue is very good with keeping their stuff. And it's like those old-fashioned boxes they used to get when you're years ago. It slides open. And the carrying case is good. It's a nice container. It might be balsa wood, I'm not sure, but let's pull this out. So this is a condenser microphone. It's got a few switches. It's got the XLR port. It's not an omnidirectional. It is directional, so it's only got one side that you can speak into, and it's this side right here with the blue showing. So we're going to put that right here carefully. So there's other stuff in this box. So this is the shock mount that will fit around and hold the microphone, so any movement from like tables or anything will be, where did that come from? Will be stopped, and it hooks right in using a the simple standard 5/8 screw going into, I think it's 1/4 inch, I believe, and it will hold, and this will move. It has suspension, so if anything vibrations, it'll be stopped from this, so you don't hear it on the stream or when you're doing recording or anything like that. Typical sticker from Blue. Looks like There might be something else in here, I'm not sure. I think that's it, actually. Yep, that's it. So, alright, so this is the What's in the Box episode 5. And what we've got is the blue Black Spark SL condenser microphone kit. It's actually a kit that comes with the pop filter and the mount, the shock mount, with also a 20-foot XLR cable by this one is Structru. This whole kit retails on Amazon at $209.99. It's a pretty good kit. It's definitely a very good microphone for the price. I've used it a couple times, but other than that, it comes with a nice wooden box, as you see. And other than that, hope you have a good day. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more content from us, or if you don't like this video, hit the thumbs down. That's okay. If you want to see more content from us, hit the subscribe button. If you want to make sure that the YouTube tells you when we put up a new video, hit the bell icon at the bottom. Other than that, all our socials and the items in the description will be in the description to purchase. If you want to take a look, and go take a look, the links will be down there. And we stream on Twitch every Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday at 4 p.m. EST or EDT. Come join us. We'll talk about different things. Ask me any questions. I'm willing to talk about just about anything. Other than that, hope you have a good day. Be good to yourself and each other. Bye-bye.